In this lesson video, firstly we will learn how to find the volume and total surface area of 3D object sphere or half sphere or semi-sphere. Then we will understand another 3D object called torus, its various features, and then we will learn how to draw the net of a given torus. From there we will find a formula to find the volume and surface area of a given torus. Using that formula, we will practice a number of examples to find the volume and total surface area of a given torus. Here we will learn how to find the volume and surface area of a sphere and a semi-sphere. So this is an sphere. A sphere is a ball-shaped object where from its center every surface points in all direction, these distances are equal. So this is a ball-shaped three-dimensional solid. From its center, every surface point's distance is equal. So now the formula that we will be using to calculate the surface area and volume of a sphere is the total surface area of a sphere is 4 pi r square. If the radius of the sphere is r, that is from center to any point its distance is r, then its total surface area, that is outside surface area, will be 4 pi r square, and the volume will be 4 division 3 pi r cube. So these two formula we will be using to calculate the surface area, total surface area and volume of a sphere. Semi-sphere or half sphere means if we cut this sphere into two half through its center, then we got this semi-sphere. So here if we cut this way, we will get this semi-sphere. So now a semi-sphere got half of the surface area from the sphere, and it creates another circular face. This is a circular face, another circular face. So the total surface area for this semi-sphere will be half of the surface area that it got from this sphere, which is half of the total sphere surface area, which is 4 pi r square, plus area that generates because of this cut, this circular face, and this circular face area is pi r square. So in total this 2 and 4 will give 2, so 2 pi r square and pi r square, so it will be 3 pi r square. So the total surface area of the semi-sphere or half sphere is 3 pi r square, 2 pi r square for half of the sphere's area, and 1 pi r square, that is pi r square, is for this newly generated circular face. The volume, total volume is V 4 by 3 pi r cube, so its volume will be half of this. So half of 4 by 3 pi r cube, which is 2 by 3 pi r cube. This 2 and 4 will cut, 2 by 3 pi r cube. So we will use this knowledge to calculate this formula for sphere, and this concept, we will not remember these formulas, these concepts to calculate the surface area and volume of semi-sphere. Let us do two examples. Here for a sphere, its radius is given, its radius r is given 1.5 meter. Now we need to find its surface area. So for a sphere, the surface area formula is the total surface area is 4 pi r square, pi means 3.14, and r square, here r is 1.5 meter, so 1.5 whole square. So if we do this calculation, we will get the total surface area 28.26, and unit is in meter, so area will be in meter square. And the volume formula is 4 division 3 pi r cube, 4 division 3 pi r cube, that means 4 division 3 times pi means 3.14, and r cube, here radius is 1.5, so 1.5 whole to the power cube. If we do this calculation, we will get the volume 14.2 13. Units is in meter, so it will be meter cube. It's simple, just using the formula. So now we will calculate the total surface area and volume for this semi-sphere or half sphere. So here the total diameter is given 60 centimeter. So the radius, half of this, the radius will be 60 division 2, that is 30 centimeter. So we know the radius. Now the total surface area. For this part we will be getting half of the total sphere, that is 4r square. 4 pi r square is the total surface area for the sphere. So this part will give us half of it, that is 2 pi r square, and this circular face will give us pi r square. So in total the total surface area is 3 pi r square. So if we put this value, 3 times pi is 3.14 times r square. R is here 30 centimeter. So it will be 30 square. So if we calculate this value, we will get 8478. Unit is in centimeter, so the area will be in centimeter square. And the volume, the total volume for the sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. So its volume will be half of it. So half of 4 by 3 pi r cube, that means 4 and 2 you will get 2. So 2 by 3 pi, which is 3.14, and r cube, here r is 30 centimeter. So it will be 30 cube. So if we do this calculation, we will get 56520 centimeter cube. So calculating the surface area and volume of sphere and semi-sphere is simple, just using this. We will remember this formula, and for semicircle we will work out from here because we can't remember all the formulas. So we will be remembering these two formulas, and for semicircle we will be working out from here.